So I hope you are enjoying learning the structure of amino acids, the three-letter symbol and single-letter symbol of amino acids. I hope you are understanding and learning these structures along with me. So now we are coming on to the next major group of amino acid, acidic amino acid and their amides. 10th amino acid, acidic amino acids. There are two acidic amino acids, aspartic acid and glutamic acid. And two amides of these acids are present, asparagine and glutamine. So acidic amino acid and their amide. Aspartic acid is one of the acidic amino acid and its amide is asparagine. You can also say this aspartate. This 8 stands for ic acid. And the difference between the acid and their amides is it contains 8 and it contains the asparagine. Like aspartic acid and asparagine. Second acidic amino acid is glutamic acid, or you can say glutamate. This 8 stands for ic acid, and the amide of glutamic acid is glutamine. Amide is glutamine. So the 10th amino acid is aspartic acid, ASP. Three-letter symbol of aspartic acid is ASP. As A is already occupied for the single letter symbol of alanine, so the aspartic acid have the single letter symbol is D. Acid, you can easily learn it. The acid is acidic amino acid and start with D. Acidic D. Now the structure of aspartic acid is the beta carbon contains a COO ion. And why it is an acidic amino acid? It contains an acidic group COO negative. So this is the common thing. This positive and negative charge neutralize each other, but the remaining this negative ion makes it acidic amino acid and showing the acidic properties of its amino acid beta carboxyl group. Aspartic acid have the beta carboxyl group. The speciality of aspartic acid is the beta carboxyl group. Alpha carbon, beta carbon contain COO negative, and the special group present on the beta carbon is carboxyl group. That's why it is called as beta carboxylic acid. And then amide of aspartic acid is asparagine. Single letter symbol of asparagine is ASN. Asparagine, ASN. You can easily catch the three-letter symbol is asparagine, and single letter, as we cannot mention it as A, capital A, as I earlier said that it is already given to the alanine. So the single letter symbol of asparagine is N. You can easily connect with this because asparagine, G-I-N-E, three-letter symbol of asparagine is ASN, asparagine, ASN, and the single letter symbol of asparagine is N, capital N. Now come on to the structure of asparagine. As it is the amide of aspartic acid, then instead of this acidic group, it contains an amide group. First of all, you know amide group. What is amide group? This carbon contains a NH2 and O. This is the amide group. This amide group is attached to the beta carbon, alpha, beta. So here is the structure of asparagine. Now come on to the next acidic amino acid. Second acidic amino acid is glutamic acid, or you can say the glutamate. The single letter symbol of glutamic acid is E, DE. As the aspartic acid have the single letter symbol of D, it is the single letter symbol of glutamic acid is E. DE, you can easily connect with the DE. Glutamic acid, aspartic acid, glutamic acid. Aspartic acid have the single letter symbol D, acid this D, and the glutamic acid have the E, single letter symbol of E. Glutamic acid's three letter symbol is GLU, and the structure of glutamic acid is like this. It has the gamma carboxylic group, alpha, beta, gamma carboxylic group at the gamma carbon. So the special group present on the glutamic acid is gamma carboxyl. Aspartic acid has a beta carboxylic group, and the glutamic acid contains gamma carboxyl group, alpha, beta, gamma carboxyl group. And now come on to the amide of glutamic acid. Amide of glutamic acid is glutamin. Like aspartic acid's amide is asparagine. Glutamic acid's amide is glutamin. Single letter symbol of glutamin, GLN. Like asparagine, ASN. Here glutamin, GLN. Single letter symbol of glutamin is Q. And the special group present is amide group. Here in the structure of asparagine, beta carbon contains the amide group. Here in the structure of glutamin, gamma carbon contains that amide group. Just attach this amide group to the gamma carbon atom, alpha, beta, gamma. So the special group present in the glutamin is amide group. Okay, you just remember the acid, in acid the acidic group, and in amides the amide group attached to the side chains, beta carbon or gamma carbon. In aspartic acid and asparagine, beta carbon contains the special group, and in glutamic acid and glutamin, gamma carbon contains the special group. Now practice the structure of aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Acidic amino acid and their amides. Tenth amino acid is aspartic acid. The three letter symbol of aspartic acid is ASP. Single letter symbol of aspartic acid is D, as we cannot give this amino acid the single letter symbol A, because A is already occupied through the alanine. So the single letter symbol is D, acids D. Okay, you can easily remember this because it is connecting to the acid D. Aspartic acid, three letter symbol is aspartic acid, single letter symbol is D, capital D. And the structure of aspartic acid is beta carbon contains a special group. So first of all, alpha carbon, H, write down the common things, and H, 3 positive, alpha carbon, beta carbon, and this beta carbon contains the special group. Now 11th amino acid is amide of this aspartic acid. Amide of aspartic acid, you can also say this aspartate, ASPARTATE. This 8 is stand for ic acid. The amide of aspartic acid is asparagine. asparagine. And the three-letter symbol of asparagine is ASN, asparagine, ASN. And the single letter symbol of asparagine is N. This is also easy to remember, asparagine, ASN, capital N or uppercase N. Here, in case of aspartic acid and asparagine, beta carbon contains the special group. Either acidic group in case of aspartic acid or amide group in case of asparagine. Amide group is CNH2 double bond O. This is the amide group. You just attach this amide group on the beta carbon and you will get the structure of asparagine. So, the structure of asparagine is sorry. NH2. This is the structure of beta alpha beta. Beta carbon contains this amide group. Amide is CNH2 double bond O. This amide group, you just put this amide group to the beta carbon and you will get the structure of asparagine. The 12th amino acid is glutamic acid or glutamate. This ic acid or 8 stands for ic acid. This is the acidic amino acid, and as the three-letter symbol of glutamic is GLU, which is taken from the initials of the acid, and you cannot give this amino acid G single letter because G is already occupied through the glycine, as you remember. If you remember that. So, first acidic amino acid is aspartic acid. Second acidic amino acid is glutamic acid. Aspartic acid has a single letter symbol of D, acidic D. Then single letter symbol of glutamic acid is in the continuation of D, E. So glutamic acid have the single letter symbol of is E. And the structure of glutamic acid contains special group on the gamma carbon atom. Alpha carbon, beta carbon on the gamma carbon. 1, 2, 3. CH2COH. This is the side chain of glutamic acid. The special group present in the gamma carbon. And if you know the structure of glutamic acid, you can easily write down the structure of its amide, glutamin. Amide of aspartic acid is asparagine. Amide of glutamic acid is glutamin. Min, glutamin. So, you cannot give it G as G is already occupied through the glycine, and single letter symbol of glutamin is Q. Three-letter abbreviation of glutamin is G. You cannot give it GLU because GLU is already occupied through glutamic acid. Then GLN, asparagine and glutamin. ASN is for asparagine. GLN is for glutamin. These both amides are also related to each other in its three-letter symbol. Like asparagine is for ASN is for asparagine, GLN is for glutamin. Single letter abbreviation is Q. And if you remember the structure of glutamine, then you can easily write down the structure of glutamic acid. Or you can, if you know the structure of glutamine, then you can write down the structure of glutamate. Or if you know the structure of glutamate, you can write down the structure of glutamine. You just attach this amide group onto the gamma carbon atom. Alpha, beta, gamma. Just attach the amide group onto the gamma carbon. This is the amide group, and this amide group you have to attach to the gamma carbon. So like this, you have completed the structure, learning and tips and tricks of these special group of amino acid, acidic amino acid and their amide. So like this, we have completed the 13 amino acid. Still 7 amino acids are remaining. So next group of amino acid is basic amino acid. Basic amino acids. Basic amino acid. Basic amino acid, lysine, L-Y-S-I-N-E, lysine. There are 3 basic amino acids: lysine, arginine and histidine. So first basic amino acid is lysine, and the 3-letter symbol of lysine is L-Y-S. Single letter symbol of lysine is K. And lysine, as we know, the basic property is coming from the NH3 group. So the lysine have an epsilon NH3 group, and the special group present on the lysine is epsilon amino. So epsilon, you can easily write down the structure of lysine: alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon amino group. And these 2 charges are neutralizing each other. The remaining net charge is positive ion. That's why this is a basic amino acid. Arginine. Arginine have 3-letter symbol of ARG. Single letter symbol is R, arginine R, and the structure of arginine is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and special group present on the arginine is guanidino. NHC, NH2 positive ion, NH2 group. So if you remember the structure of lysine, you can easily write down the structure of arginine, as it contains an epsilon amino group. It has a delta amino group, NH, a carbon, 2 amino group attached to the last carbon. Now the next amino acid is histidine. Histidine, histidine. 3-letter symbol is HIS, his. Single letter symbol is H. And there are 3 basic amino acids: lysine, arginine and histidine. LAH, La. You can easily remember it to a mnemonic: La. LAH, La. Lysine, arginine and histidine. And the single letter symbol of lysine is K. Arginine is R. Histidine is H. And the speciality in the side chain of histidine is the presence of a special group which is imidazole ring, and imidazole ring is present on the beta carbon. So now we will be practicing about the structure of basic amino acid. The fifth major group is basic amino acids. It is 14th amino acid, lysine. 3-letter symbol of lysine is LYS. Single letter symbol of lysine is K. And the structure of lysine contains the epsilon amino group. Don't forget the epsilon amino group. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. 1, 2, 3, CH2. Okay, so why we are saying this basic amino acid? Because the net charge is positive. This positive and negative charge are neutralizing each other, and the net charge is positive charge. That's why it is called as a basic amino acid. And the next is arginine. Arginines ARGININE. Arginine. Arginine's 3-letter symbol is ARG. Single letter symbol is R. Arginine R. This is also not difficult to remember, as arginines are. It contains a delta amide group. The speciality of arginine is the presence of guanidino, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. This delta carbon is containing an NH group, and again this carbon have two amide group, NH3 positive and NH2 group. This guanidino group is the specialty of the structure of arginine. Next one is histidine. 3-letter symbol is HIS, HIS, and single letter symbol of histidine is H, and structure contains the imidazole ring in its side chain. CH2 and then imidazole ring in its structure. Okay, this imidazole ring is the specialty of histidine. Now, the aromatic amino acids. There are 3 aromatic amino acids: phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. Phenylalanine's 3-letter symbol is PHE, single letter symbol is F, as P has already given to an amino acid which we will be discussing further, that is proline. So the single letter symbol of phenylalanine is F. Phenylalanine is F, and the structure side chain contains an benzene or phenyl group. So the specialty in the structure of phenylalanine is the presence of a phenyl group or benzene ring. The structure contains the benzene ring on the beta carbon atom. Next amino acid is tyrosine, TYROSINE. Tyrosine 3-letter symbol is TYR, 1-letter symbol is Y, and the structure contains a phenol group. Simple. If you know the structure of phenylalanine, benzene is attached and an OH group attached to this benzene forming the phenol group. Tryptophan. Tryptophan's 3-letter symbol is TRP. Single letter symbol is W. And tryptophan contains a indole group in its side chain. This indole group, you can easily write down the structure of tryptophan. So now we will be practicing the structure of aromatic amino acids. So the 6th major group is aromatic amino acids. First aromatic amino acid, or 17th of all, is a phenylalanine. 3-letter abbreviation of phenylalanine is PHE. Single letter symbol is F, and the structure contains a benzene ring. On the beta carbon. Simple. Eighteenth amino acid is tyrosine. Phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan. There are three aromatic amino acids. Tyrosine. 3-letter symbol is DYR. Y is single letter symbol, and the special group present is phenol. You can easily write down the structure of tryptophan as well. First, write the structure of phenylalanine and then attach a OH group on it. Now, next is tryptophan. 19th amino acid is tryptophan. Three-letter symbol of tryptophan is TRP. W is the single letter symbol. Now write down this common thing. And the structure of tryptophan is containing a indole group. This is the speciality of the side chain of tryptophan, presence of an indole group. Now come on to the last 20th amino acid, which is proline. The 3-letter symbol of proline is PRO. Single letter symbol of proline is P, and the structure of proline is like this. And the speciality of proline is pyrrolidine group. Proline contains pyrrolidine group. Pyrrolidine, you can write it like proline. 3-letter abbreviation of proline is PRO. Single letter symbol of proline is P, and proline contains pyrrolidine group. CH2, CH2, CH2. This pyrrolidine is the speciality of proline, or you can write down it like this. See, first of all, write down the common things. Simple. This was all about the structure, 3-letter symbol, single letter abbreviation of amino acid. There are 20 amino acid. We have discussed all 20 amino acid, and further in our next videos we'll be discussing about the other properties, other amino acids which are non-starter amino acids, essential, non-essential amino acids, etc.